Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my channel. If you want to see the upcoming tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is the fourth episode about React and design. In this episode, we'll use React Router DOM to work on navigation and header. First, let's add header div and the logo. So open your code editor, open src folder, components and header.js. After the stop bar, add the comment header. Then add div with a class called header. In design, we do have a horizontal line, so let's add separator class name as well. Inside header div, let's add another div and add logo. It's just a text, so just add grocery. Then also add a class called logo. Once done, check the side and you can see a logo over here. Now let's work on this navigation using React Router DOM. We need to create these pages as component, so inside this src folder, create a new folder and call pages. Inside pages, let's create new file and call it home.js. Then we need to create about, shop, FAQ and contact. So create about.js, shop.js, faq.js and contact.js. You can open about.js and add a component. We'll use functional component, so add function app about, and inside this return we'll just add a div tag with the text about. Then export default app about. Now copy this code and add them to rest of the pages. So here you can simply rename from about to home. Likewise here you can rename it to shop. In FAQ you can rename it to FAQ, and finally in contact you can rename it to contact. Now it's time to install React Router DOM. So in terminal, press Ctrl+C to stop the application. You can then type npm install React Router DOM and hit enter key. Now open app.js and you can import routes. You can rename browser router as router from React Router DOM. Then we need to import all of these pages over here. So add import app home from pages/home. Likewise import app about, import app shop, app FAQ and app contact from pages/contact. Then inside this layout element, add router, and inside router let's add header and content element. We are adding header and content element inside router because we will be adding nav links in this app header and all the routes in this content element. Then inside this content element, add routes, and inside routes, add route. Route will have an attribute path. If you want to open home component, you can just use /. Then it will have another attribute element where you have to choose the home component. So add app home. Likewise, for about, you need to choose /about, and you have to choose app about. For shop, you need to choose /shop and app shop. For FAQ, you need to choose /FAQ and app FAQ. Then finally for contact, you need to choose /contact and app contact. Now the last step is to add navigation in header. So open header.js, and on top you can import navlink from React Router DOM. Then after this logo div, you can add nav tag with ul-li. Inside li, you can add navlink. The name of the link is home, and this will have the attribute to. To open the home component, we just need to use /. You can then copy this nav link and paste them to rest of the li. Then we have another link about, another one is shop, FAQ, and contact. To open about component, we need to use /about. For shop, we need /shop. For FAQ, we need /FAQ, and for contact, we need /contact. Now, let's run the application and check the preview. If you refresh the site, you can see home component over here. If you go to about, you can see about component. Likewise, you can see shop, FAQ, and contact. Great! This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll use the carousel and grid component to work on the hero section. Feel free to comment below if you have any question. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.